Hello friend, welcome to ICT Breeze. How do I stop unwanted writing an email or MS Word? People also ask, why is my keyboard overwriting? How do I turn off replace typing? When I press space is deleted the next letter. How do I stop text from disappearing when I type? How do I stop text from overwriting in Gmail?
Before that, if this is your first time and you have not subscribed my channel ICT Breeze, please click on subscribe buttons and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notifications whenever I upload wonderful video for you.
Let's see how we can fix this problem on your computer. This is very easy and you can fix this within few seconds.
You just have to press insert key on your keyboard. You can see here, just you have to press insert key. That's all you have to do. Let's see the problem is solved or not. Let's see. Yeah, I press the insert key. See, it's gone. When I press the insert key, yeah. See, this is how you can fix within a second. So this is my email. So still we have this. I just press the insert key here. Okay, see, this is solved now. That's all you have to do. It is still the insert key, and that key is toggles. But insert as a toggle is not turned on by default, and neither is using Overtype mode. If you have to do following an existing document or to your normal document template, if you wish this to be in effect in any new blank document you create, to change the Overtype settings so that you can access Overtype mode by pressing insert. Do the following. Just press Alt, F, and T. It will take you to Word options, or you can simply go to the file and then go to the options. Here you can go to general and go to the advanced and just click here. Use the insert key to control Overtype mode. So whenever you have a problem overtyping, just you have to press the insert key and it will work. That's all. And just go here and click OK. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment below. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe now and hit the bell icons. Have a good day. Namaste.